Welcome back to Next News, ladies and gentlemen. Today, a blockbuster has hit the cinemas. Jaws. Are you kidding me? Jaws? Seriously? That came in 1975. Give me anything else. What? Oh, The Blob? Come on, that came out in 1958. Give me something new. What? Or death? A celebrity has died. Mel Blanc? Mel Blanc? He died in 1989, you moron. Walt Disney died in 1966. Now, unless you guys want... A Star is Born. Who? What's his name? Justin Bieber? Are you kidding me? He came... We were introduced to him in 2007. You idiot. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a little difficulty, but I'll be back in a second.